Hello guys, welcome to Powerful Trade. Today we are going to see Nifty weekly analysis of upcoming week expiry of which is coming on 12th June. Before we go through that Nifty weekly analysis, let us see what we discussed on last week and how market reacted on last week expiry. See, this was the narrow region which Nifty was trading, and we clearly discussed on last week video. Nifty may go to this support zone, then we will have a good recovery. That is what exactly it has happened. If you look at this, was that exactly support what we have discussed, and exactly Nifty came to this level, that is of around 24,500 level, and the Nifty has last week expiry, it is expired around 24,750 level. But on yesterday, if you look at this, this was the resistance zone. Now Nifty has exactly touched at the resistance zone, and we were expecting this target of 25 200 to 300 level. And so now on last Friday, Nifty has closed exactly at near to the resistance zone. There's nothing but it just Nifty is just consolidating between these two zones, right? This is what exactly what we discussed, and it is market has moved on this similar pattern. And if you go through our this week Nifty analysis, first let us see the price action. As we have explained in last week video also, Nifty is just consolidating between the support and resistance zone, and it is not going anywhere in last few days, and it is just consolidating between the support and resistance zone. When it comes to the support, and then we are able to see that clear buy, and when it goes to that resistance zone, it is clearly we are able to see the selling zone. So this is the price actions what we are seeing, and it is just consolidating between this support and resistance. We may expect similar pattern in upcoming uh, week as well. And then let us see India VIX. India VIX now it is below 15, which is like as we discussed on the last week video, it was close to 16 plus, and we informed clearly we may expect lot of volatility. Same thing happened in the price action also, and presently India VIX is less than 15. Right now it is around 14.7. So upcoming week, I mean this next week, we may expect less volatility in index as the VIX is below 15 level. This is what India VIX volatility indicates. And let's go to that next pointer. These are the 8 pointers we always keep studying in every week. And overall market direction. Again, that overall market direction, as we discussed, uh, market is just trading between the support and resistance, and we may expect this target zone in coming weeks. And this is that what we are seeing in that overall direction also. And the open interest, let us study about the open interest. So which is of your 16th June expiry open interest. We can easily see this 25,000. We are observing short shadow, right? Both call and put sold aggressively. And if you look at first the call writers are at 25,500 level only. Then subsequent to this, it is only of 25,000. And if you look at put, it is around 24,000. We will ignore this 24,000 as it is very far away. And if you look at the next level, the first is at 25,000. So people are expecting, as we have seen in the price action as well, resistance zone is 25,000. As yesterday Nifty closed about 25,000, so people have sold aggressively of 25,000 put. That is what it is indicates here in this open interest as well. And if you the second highest open interest, that's around 24,700. That's the next support level of Nifty. So open interest is also clearly indicating our overall direction of Nifty as well. As here, if you see, this is the resistance zone. Once it crosses, this will become a support, good support. But Nifty should close maybe 1 or 2 days above 25,000 level. And if you see the short shuttle premium, so short shuttle premium, if you look at the short shuttle premium, so it is around 335 points. Is only having the short shuttle premium presently. As we have discussed in the last week video, it was 400 plus in the last week. So presently it is having only 335 points. It's mainly due to VIX. As we have seen last week, it was 16 plus. Now it is only 14.7. It's the via VIX. So again, this short shell premium also indicates the less volatility in the next week. And next pointer is institutional future holdings. So institutional future holdings, if you look at the institutional future holdings, again that DA is last week also we have seen DA is holding good amount of long, and again yesterday also they slightly added, and right now they are in the bullish trend, and the FIA is already holding good number of shorts as well, and yesterday they are also added some longs. So both are bullish right now. So looking at this, the conclusion what we are able to see, the FI is having the more shorts. So if market moves above, sustains about 25,000, FA may go for short covering, and that further rally we may expect. If it is not sustaining 25,000 level, then DI may covering their longs. And next, if you see the overall global market review, overall Dow Jones, if you look at Dow Jones, and they are also trading positively. There is no panic in global level. Also, most of the indexes are trading positively, and it is also reaching at a very good. Yesterday on Friday, it is closed with a 1% gain. So that is again no any fears on the global level as well. And conclusion and trading ideas, if you look at the conclusion and the trading ideas, as we are again mentioned it here, so this will again act as a good resistance. So once this closes 2500 level, we may expect another 200 300 points level, which is our old target, that is of 25,300 to 25,400 level. If it is not sustained this resistance level, then Nifty may again come back to this level of support zone, that is of again 24,700 to 24,500 level. And we have one more view. If Nifty is not able to bridge this resistance zone for some time, then it may even expire near this 25,000 level as well. So this is what we are analyzing. So the important to watch whether Nifty is able to sustain above this level, then we may get some more another 200 300 points on higher side. If no, again this level will remain as it is. Then again Nifty may come to 24,700 to 24,500 level. This is what we are analyzing this week, weekly expiry, and this is our own analysis, how we analyze, and we are posting it over here. And please do not trade as per our view. Please review and analyze yourself, then trade carefully, and some of the IPOs news is also coming up of mainly of NSE. So so if these levels not able to sustain, then we may see some kind of profit booking also. That time to time we are updating it, but we are not expecting very any big profit booking on next week, especially. So, and that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a good weekend.